What are the limitations of ethnoarchaeology? Have you ever wondered how modern practices can help us understand ancient cultures? Ethnoarchaeology is a fascinating subfield of archaeology that studies contemporary societies to gain insights into past human behaviors through their material remains. However, it is not without its challenges. Let's look at some limitations of ethnoarchaeology, especially in the context of boat building. First, ethnoarchaeology can sometimes carry outdated evolutionary and racist ideologies. This means that researchers may unintentionally categorize societies into modern Western and pre-modern groups. Such divisions can lead to biased interpretations, where some cultures are unfairly seen as less advanced. Next, there is the issue of universal models versus cultural specificity. Ethnoarchaeology often aims to create broad models for understanding human behavior. However, this can overlook the unique aspects of different cultures. When researchers apply a one-size-fits-all approach, they risk missing the rich details that define each society. Another challenge is the presence of multiple analogies. When examining a single archaeological site, there can be many possible comparisons. This makes it tough to determine which analogy is the most accurate. Without a careful process of elimination, researchers may draw incorrect conclusions. Additionally, there is the risk of cherry-picking data. Researchers may selectively use ethnographic information to support their existing theories. This can lead to an incomplete picture of cultural practices and technologies, ignoring the diversity within societies. Ethnoarchaeology can also present a static view of culture. Some researchers might assume that modern societies are unchanged reflections of past cultures. However, cultures are dynamic and evolve over time. Historical changes are not always considered, which can skew interpretations. Finally, racial and cultural bias can influence the language used in ethnoarchaeology. Terms like hunter-gatherers may reflect Western categorizations that oversimplify the diversity of societies. This can perpetuate harmful stereotypes, portraying certain groups as relics of the past. In the specific context of boat building, these limitations are particularly relevant. Assuming that current boat-building techniques directly mirror ancient practices can overlook the evolution of technology and cultural influences. Ethnoarchaeological studies must be conducted with an awareness of these limitations, ensuring that interpretations are balanced and consider multiple perspectives. By recognizing these challenges, researchers can work towards more accurate representations of past cultures.